Hello everyone. So in today's video we will discuss 8085 instruction set. So there are several parts of this topic and this is part 1. Basically this is a quick revision. In 8085 there are 246 number of opcodes and almost 74 number of basic functions. So it is quite difficult to remember all those opcodes, and in case we remember also, generally we get confused between two similar type of instructions. So in this video we will discuss all these instructions in detail, and we will also discuss the trick to remember, and you can also watch this video for a quick revision before your examination. In this video, we will discuss all the data transfer instruction. So there are many types of data transfer instructions. What I have done is I have divided all the data transfer instruction into 4 categories. So first category is MOV and MVI instruction. Second is data transfer involving HL pair. Third one is data transfer involving accumulator, and the fourth one is LXI instruction. Now let us discuss the first one, that is MOV and MVI instructions. So there are total of 5 instructions in this category, 3 move instruction and 2 move immediate instructions. So coming to the first one, that is MOV RD, RS. Here the content of RS is moved or copied to the register RD. So here RS is the abbreviation for source register and RD is the abbreviation of destination register. And here the addressing mode is register addressing mode. The syntax of this, one example of this instruction is MOV A, B. So here the content of B is copied to A. Coming to the next one, that is MOV R, M. Here the content of the memory location whose address is an HL pair is moved to the register R. So suppose HL contains the data 2043H and at location 2043, suppose the data stored is A1H. Then when we write MOV B, M, then at the time the value at address 2043 will be copied to B. So after this instruction my register B will contain the data A1H. Now let us discuss the third one, that is MOV M, R. So here the content of register R is moved to the memory location whose address is specified in the HL register pair. And here in both move R, M and move M, R, the addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. Now we will discuss 2 instruction under MVI. So the first one is MVI R, 8-bit data. So here MVI stands for move immediate. So here the 8-bit data is immediately moved, or we can say it is immediately copied to the specified register here. And here the addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. Similarly, the next instruction is MVI M, 8-bit data. So here the 8-bit data is moved immediately to the memory location whose address is specified in the HL register pair. And here the addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. Also we can say the addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. Now we will discuss the second category under data transfer instruction, that is data transfer involving HL pair. So there are 6 instruction under this, namely LHLD, SHLD, SPHL, PCHL, XCHG and XCHG. We will briefly discuss all these instructions one by one. So first one is LHLD instruction. The syntax is LHLD, then in the operand we have to write 16-bit address. So, LHLD stands for load HL pair direct. So, here the value stored at the accumulator is copied to L and the value at the next address location is moved to the register H, and here the addressing mode is direct addressing mode. Similarly, the next instruction is SHLD instruction. So, it stands for store HL register pair direct, and here we will store the content of HL register in some defined address. So, suppose here in the operand we provide one 16-bit address. So, the content of L is copied to the address specified and the content of H is copied to the next address, that is address plus 1, and here the addressing mode is direct addressing mode. Then the next instruction is SPHL instruction. Here SP stands for stack pointer and HL stands for HL register pair. So, here the content of HL pair is moved to the stack pointer and here the addressing mode is register addressing mode. And the next instruction is PCHL. Here PC stands for program counter and HL is HL register pair. So, here the content of HL register pair is moved to the program counter and here also the addressing mode is register addressing mode. Coming to the next one, that is XCHL, it stands for exchange the stack top with HL register pair. So, here the stack top suppose is pointed by SP, the stack pointer is SP, then the value at that location is copied to L and the value at the next stack pointer, that is SP plus 1, is moved to register H, and here this belongs to register indirect addressing mode. Then the next one is XCHG and here it stands for exchange the content of HL pair with DE pair. That means H, the value of H is exchanged with D and similarly the value of L is exchanged with E, and here the addressing mode is register addressing mode. In case you want detailed explanation of all these instructions, the link is provided in the description of this video or at the end of the video I have provided the link. Now, we will discuss the third category under data transfer instruction, that is data transfer involving accumulator. So, there are 4 instructions under this, namely LDAX, STAX, LDA and STA. So, let us discuss those instructions one by one. So, first one is LDA address. So, LDA stands for load accumulator, and as we are providing address in the operand, so it is load accumulator direct. So, here the value at the address is copied to the accumulator and it belongs to the category of direct addressing mode. Then the next instruction is STA address. It stands for store accumulator value at the specified address. Okay. So, as I have told, the accumulator content is copied to the address specified in the operand section and it also belongs to the direct addressing mode category. Then the next one is LDAX RP. So, here it stands for load accumulator indirect. That means the address specified by the register pair RP, will go to the location or we will go to the memory location specified by this register pair and the value at that location is copied to the accumulator. And here the addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. Then the next instruction is STAX RP. Here it stands for store accumulator indirect. Here the addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. Here the value of the accumulator is copied at the memory location specified by the register pair RP. Now we will discuss the last category of instruction, that is LXI instruction. The syntax for LXI instruction is LXI RP 16-bit data. So here we load the register pair immediately, where the 8 most significant bits are copied to the higher order register and 8 lower order significant bits are copied to the lower order register, it is RL. So here, as we are providing the address in the operand section, so here the addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. Here also one type of instruction is possible, that is LXI SP 16-bit data. So as we know, our stack, here SP stands for stack pointer, which is a 16-bit register. So here this data is directly copied to the stack pointer. So with this we come to the end of this video. In case you want to understand the addressing mode, then the link is provided in the description, also at the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video, and for more updates don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.